Meaning of draper.
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 Draper. Draper refers to a person who makes or sells cloth, especially woolen cloth. The origin of the word can be traced back to the Middle English word drapier, meaning a dealer in cloth. Drapers were historically important members of the merchant class and played a key role in the development of the textile industry. Today, the term draper is less commonly used, as the textile industry has evolved with modern technology. However, the legacy of the draper lives on in the cloth-making traditions that continue to be practiced in various parts of the world.